Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do another experiment. I don't know if it's going to work out, but I'm going to do it. I've taken 6 to 7 different mica colors, mainly primary colors, and I've mixed them and I've put them into little cups. And as you can see the process as we go. This is the little one that I'm doing to start with is actually leftover resin. I was waiting for my resin to really thicken to do this bigger piece, because I think the pattern will only stay if the resin is thick. So that's what I was waiting for, and this was left over, so I thought, oh yeah, I'll just chuck it in and see what comes out. So I'll sit back, put some music on, just watch the process, because I think it's better to just see what I'm doing. So basically I've taken 6 different colors and mica powders, and I will be using that in the bigger mold. Don't worry about the little one, that's only the leftovers. The bigger one is my main project here. So have a look and see if you all have any ideas of how I can actually keep that pattern together. That would be awesome. Just leave it in the comments, tell me how I could keep it. I didn't want to use any molds in the middle, I just wanted to pour. So sit back, relax, have a look, tell me what you think. It would be awesome. See you soon. Ciao. I don't know. And that's pretty. Let's see what the Hosh Posh one does. This was the leftover paint. Oh, look how pretty that turned out. And I just threw all the paint in and mixed it all up. And oh, look at that. How pretty is that? Can you see that? Look at that. I wonder if it'll show with the light. Look at the silver in there. How cute is that? Oh, I've got to try this one again. Except I can't remember how I did it. That side looks nice too, but this one was alright. Cute as that. This is what I was aiming at. I wanted but you could see how it shrunk. It has completely shrunk. It's kept the colors on this side. That's not too bad. I'll have to keep trying. I must admit, I left the resin to go really thick. I thought if it got really thick, it may not move as much, which really it didn't, because I did a practice run, and I'll show you. I did turn it into a bowl, which is like that, and this is how this one turned out, except that even this shrunk. So I saw a guy actually making a clock with this style, with this thing, and that's what I was trying to aim at. But and I was going to make one of those cookie stand things with the two top and bottom layers. That's why the hole is there. But that's how this one came out too. The back. So the top is fine, but anyway, this ended up in the bin. I'll see how this one goes. It's quite pretty. It's kept the colors, but I really wanted those patterns, so I'll have to work out how to keep those patterns intact. I know that I've seen Daniel Cooper do this, and he actually waited a long time to actually put that in, but that was only with alcohol inks, whereas this one is with mica, and I poured in all the mica colors, and then I did the pattern. That's when the resin got thick. I did the pattern. It still didn't stay, so, but it's not too bad. It looks quite cute, quite pretty. It's got a beautiful shimmer to it. Yeah, we learn every day, don't we? But I'm really pleased about this one because this was a hodgepodge job. Whatever was left from here, I just poured it in there. Something's wrong with that mold too. It's got marks on it. But yeah, the yellow gave me a little bit of a 3D effect in the middle. But look how pretty those petals are. Gorgeous. That would make a nice 3-tier cake stand. Look at that. Look at that beautiful shimmer in the background, and every petal's got it. Oh well, it's quite pretty. Well, I'll see you for the next one, the next experiment. See you later.